we already saw Cloud SDK. Cloud SDK is CLI, command line interface, and the utility which you install on your laptop or computer. Let's go ahead and download it and install it. Let me go here. I just went into Cloud SDK quick start or download. You can go there. So if you have this one Cloud SDK, it has detected my operating system. I can go here. So I already have a project. You just need to download it. Single user mode. And all. So you will get an option whether you want to install beta commands. I said yes. So installation has been done now. It says complete. I had to pause the video to complete the installation to save the time. So let me say next, finish. Okay, so that is done. Let me go ahead and do CMD here. And let me put gcloud. So the first command which you need to do is, or to initiate your gcloud command is, you need to do, I just put that in here. You need to initialize it. Let me go ahead and initialize my interface. So you must log in to continue. Would you like to log in? I would say yes. So it is asking me your user ID password to log in. I just said yes. Allow. So it is logged in as my user ID, and then let me go ahead and, so these are my list of projects that are available for me to select it as a default project. One, enter. Now it is going to ask me, do you want to set up default zone for compute? I'm just going to say default yes, and I'm going to choose US West 1A, and that is 13. So everything is set up now. Let me go ahead and put forward gcloud, and these are the options. If I say compute instance list, instances, and list, it will give me the list of. So this is how you can install and set up gcloud command. Along with gcloud you will have gsutils as well. The path is not set up, but gsutil as well as BigQuery. Okay, so that's the utility which you will get it by default out of Cloud SDK. That's it for Cloud SDK, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me, or otherwise move to the next lecture. Thanks.